cute video regarding the wash to dye hair shampoo in the color black. It's a 3-in-1 wash, dye, and it gives you some treatment as far as it has plant extracts in it: ginger root, rosemary, jojoba seed, macadamia, oriental's leaf, and chamomile flower. So it's supposed to be really nourishing for your hair, and I think that this is gonna work great for stubborn grays. So I am getting ready to give this a try. So this is what the packaging looks like. You can order it direct from their website, or you can order it on Amazon.com. So I'm just touching up my lips. Today I'm gonna be wearing the NARS. This is the, if you guys can see that, okay? That's the name of it. I'm gonna just touch up. I have been trying out a lot of products lately, and I just want you to know that it's always good to try new things. How else will you know you like something if you don't try it out? And so that's just kind of how I've been. I want to pick up some new products that are, you know, new to me, but also things that you guys, my audience, my dolls, may not have seen or known of either. It's just things that I'm liking and finding. As you can see, my roots, how they need to be touched up, but because I am a natural girly, my hair is denser. I do have a 3C, 4A, plus other 4B, etc. around the perimeter of my hair and stuff. Then it does require a little bit more maintenance, a little more upkeep, a little more application more frequently to maintain a jet black, which is my thing, a jet black girl, jet black look for my hair, because my extensions, as you can see, they're definitely jet black, matching into my top or my bodysuit. This is jet black. So I definitely want my roots to match that. And right now you can see the color difference between my leave out or my roots and my extensions, which I do not like. We don't want any telltale signs when we're wearing our extensions. Okay, dolls, we are back. So I wanted to get into this a little bit more. Let's open it up together and see how it's looking, or what we can expect from it. So this is the box here. This is the brand here. It looks like this. And so what I'm planning to do is just to add this to my hair. Currently, I'm just gonna add it just to test it out onto my leave out. So as you can see, that's all of this hair here. You can see the color of it as compared to the extensions and in here. So I just want to do the wash on the leave out hair for now, just to try it out and see. And then if it works really good, we can go from there. But it's a very beautiful bottle. Hello, excuse me. How aesthetic. Oh my goodness, I love the bottle. So that's already a plus in my book. It says it's just a hair dye shampoo. It's black and it covers gray hair. And I've used hair dye shampoos in the past, so I'm familiar with it. You really just wash your hair as normal. On wash day, I would go in with this. So it does come with a container, and it's gloves thing. Oh, this is nice to put on. So this is really nice. What a nice touch. So it just shows you how dark it's gonna get if you use this kit. You know, if you're a light base and you're going with a black, then it's gonna take you from here to there, etc., etc. So I'm excited to try it. Let's see, instructions for use. Prepare, you're supposed to wear your gloves, the cake, which is nice. The ear protectors, that's what it's for. Wow, that's really cool. So these are ear protectors. I've never worn those before or used them, but I'm gonna take my earrings off, put these ear protectors on for sure. I'm gonna use everything in my toolkit, but like I said, for right now, I'm just gonna do the top part, my leave out. And then it says that you're going to do the application, remove the bottle cap, keep your hair dry, hold the bottle vertically on the table, press the pump down each time to dispense, rub the dye between your hands several times to mix, apply evenly to your hair, make sure to cover all strands with focus on the roots, temple, and dress the gray hairs. After application, put on a shower cap and wait for 15 to 25 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then wash your hair with shampoo. Finally condition with a hair conditioner. Okay, so this works on my leave out, and I'm going to compare it to the rest of my hair. Then I definitely will use it on the rest of my hair. So I'm going to test an area first, is what I'm calling myself doing by doing that. because it is a new product. I don't want to have any adverse reactions to my hair. I'm just going to fluff out my, so this is all of my leave out here. As you guys can see the color there, how much lighter it is in a jet black. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump. Love the bottle again, like I said. Shake, shake, shake. Press this all the way down in my hand. It's a 2-in-1. So one side is giving a shampoo and one side has the color when I pump it out, if you guys can see that. You see how it's coming out like half and half? So it's supposed to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of mix this in my hand like that. It smells normal. It smells like shampoo or something, really. It doesn't smell weird at all. It doesn't even smell like dye. So let's put this on here. Okay, I kind of got a little alfalfa going on. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm just kind of rubbing it in. A little bit. Kind of thick like a gel. So it's like a test area. Like I said, if this works out well, I'll go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I don't feel anything, nothing's tingling or burning, thank God. And so I'm gonna pump a little bit more. Just put it right in here. Let me part it where my part is to make sure it's covered in there. It's very cool. I don't know if that's just that's a feature of the shampoo or not, but yeah, I think it's coated pretty well. It said root to tip, so I'm concentrating on the root. You can see that. All right, so I do have a hair clip. Let me get a clip. I do see a little bit of a color change on the gloves. I mean, it looks like hair dye black on the glove. So I do think it's doing something, and I would love to have a permanent hair dye or something that I could wash through my hair like after I shampoo and do all of my treatment, especially having natural hair. This would be fantastic if it works, because then I can just add this into my same little process. I'm just wrapping this around so that it doesn't like get on my extensions too much. Not that I don't want them, I mean, it's not gonna hurt them, but I just don't want them to get wet and start curling up. Give it 15 to 20 minutes to cover with a shower cap. So I'm gonna take my gloves off, set them in the sink until I come back to them. I do see a little bleed through on my fingers. So, and it looks like dye, hair dye. So let me go ahead and wash my hands. Dolls, don't play with me. Look, I just walked away for about 20 minutes. And coming back, hello, she's looking dark. She's getting there. I feel like it's an off black right now, so I'm gonna give it a little extra time. I don't know that it is gonna get fully jet black because it's just a black, but oh my gosh, you guys can definitely see the difference. I can. I feel like it's visibly darker than when we started. So I'm excited about that, because if something can cover these stubborn grays, get me to jet black to where I'm not having to constantly be rinsing my hair, spraying it with black and all of that, then this definitely works for me. So I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. I just wanted to come on and show you dolls how it was looking. I think I'm at about, I would say about 10 minutes or so, about 15 minutes, let's say 15 minutes. So I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and show you guys and see if it looks any darker, but this is where we are. You can definitely see the difference already. I can. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's been another 5 minutes or so, so I will say we're right at the 20-minute mark, and I want to hit the timing exactly as per the instructions. So as you can see, it looks even darker. So it's darkening with time. I feel like it's close to being a jet black because, as you know, my extensions are jet black, and to me it matches up really good. So as far as I can see, as long as it doesn't completely rinse out, when I rinse it out and shampoo, following with shampoo, if it stays this dark, then it's gonna be such a good match. I'm not gonna have to worry about my leave out with my extensions being telltale and showing that, you know, that I have extensions in. So I'm so excited. This came out so much better than I thought it would. I'm getting ready to go ahead and rinse this out right in the area where it's at and see if it holds. After it's rinsed out, I'm gonna shampoo it like the instructions said, follow with a regular shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna be using the Aflogy line for the leave out. And this is it's, you know, Aflogy, gentle, restore shine, help strengthen the hair, normalizes pH. And then I'm gonna use it's in my shower, I'm gonna grab it, the Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner on it. So let me go ahead and shampoo this out. I'm gonna put the gloves back on, but my gloves had a hole in them, I believe. So let me get some gloves that I already had from under my sink. I have a bunch of just plastic gloves under my sink. So I'm gonna use some of these that I already had. Put these on. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put my head under the sink and rinse this shampoo out. I wanna tie this back actually so that my extensions don't get wet. And then I'm going to rinse this out. And once I do that, I'm just gonna kind of shampoo, well, not kinda, I am gonna shampoo it, dry it. Hello? Jet Black? Is that you? Oh my God, look at my hair, you guys. I just finished shampooing it. I still need to put the conditioner in, but I just needed you to see the color. Because once I rinsed it or shampooed it with my shampoo and rinsed out the rinse or the color dye shampoo, it's still holding, like it's still holding that black. So I'm gonna put the conditioner in and see if it changes. But look at the match, the color match. And that's how you know it works, because you saw where we started, you saw where we are, so you know it's working. I'm gonna put the conditioner in, let that sit, do a little hot oil treatment on it. First impressions, tea. And nothing's itching, burning, none of that kind of stuff. It feels fine. We are back. I just blow dried my hair, put a little cheat in there, some leave-in, and now I'm just gonna flat iron it just so you can see. Oh my goodness. I cannot remember the last time my hair was this black. Even with, wow, and it's, ooh, it's good. It seemed like it added a little bit of a silkening to it also, because my hair is super straight and it's not been this straight in a very long time. So let me clip everything down. I'm so impressed. And I'm so surprised because I was thinking, oh, it'll get me a little bit darker. But this is so black. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna insert a before and after, and I put this robe on so you can see the difference, but that is so straight. I can imagine doing a silk press on my hair and using this shampoo. It just seems like it's got something in there that has silked my hair. I'm not even joking. My hair was not this straight. It seems like it's silky straight, like silk press straight. Wow, that is amazing. So not only did it color my hair, but it seems like it has something in it that is giving silk press. It's crazy, guys. This is gonna be my new jam. I'm sorry. This is so amazing. Let me clip my clip-ins down so that it's laying flat. I'm gonna brush it. Wow. This looks so good. Look how straight my hair is and shiny. On top of it being black. Like that wasn't even, I guess it's a byproduct, but that wasn't even something I was expecting, was for it to be silky and straight as well. Shiny. Look at that shine. And look at that color payout. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am obsessed with this already. So, wow. Wow, that looks so good. I'm just messing with the clip-ins. And I took one piece out, so I have to add that back in the front. But look at that, you guys. Look at that color payout. Are you kidding me? That is seamless now, and I love this for me. As a jet black girl, this is everything. I'm so excited about this. So impressed. Let me see, I'm gonna do this with this one. Wow, I need to put my extension back right there. Great. Wow, this looks so fantastic. Look at that. Let me bring you guys under a little more light. So you can see extensions are jet black, 100% black. And now my hair is immediately, and all you had to do was shampoo it in. That's so easy. And it's got a little shine to it and everything. It looks, this is fabulous, guys. There you have it, a new shampoo that you absolutely need. This is the Wash to Dye by AKoiin, I believe. But the name, the link, all of the details for the shampoo will be listed below. I'm gonna check and see if they have other products too, because this is too good. This was too good, too perfect, and too easy. All I did was wash like a regular wash, like I would on a wash day, wash my hair, follow with my regular shampoo, washed it with this shampoo, followed it with my shampoo and conditioner, and it was so easy. That was too easy, and it's too good to have been that easy. I'm so obsessed. I'm instantly in love with my hair color. I'll definitely keep you guys updated, let you know how it holds, how the color payout is. I'm imagining that it would rinse out a little bit each time, but maybe not. Maybe it's a permanent dye more so, to where now that it's in there, I'll just need to continue to update it to do my roots and stuff after each wash, or maybe once a month or so, but we will see. We will see, and I will keep you dolls updated. But I'm so excited about this product. So be sure to follow the link below, get your hands on this, because it makes life so much easier in terms of color treatment, especially if you are someone who struggles with stubborn grays like myself. As you can see, the before and after, and so this is taking me where I always love to be, which is a deep, dark, inky black, looking so good. And this, like I said, it's too easy. It's so easy. You don't have to do a whole bunch of dyeing process or anything like that. You just shampoo as you would and follow with your normal shampoo and conditioner routine, and there you have it, dolls. So if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, give it a like, a comment, all of the things. Let me know if you're gonna try this product, have you tried it, etc. And I will see you dolls in the next one. Mwah. Bye.